sure is racing to the top. Yep, the lass is on a roll post her lethal cocktail, and now with Race 2 rooming out of the screens, Miss Padukone cannot help beaming from year to year. Here is the it girl on her role in Race 2, competition from the other Bollywood babes, including her rivalry with a certain Miss Anushka Sharma. Here's what the actor said when I caught up with her earlier. इस बार किस रेस में हैं आप?
इस बार तो मैं रेस की रेस में हूँ. We're all just sort of coming together now to start talking about the film, and the film releases on the 25th of Jan, and I'm looking forward to what the audience has to say.
It's an ensemble cast. Do you think an actor or an actress tends to get a little overshadowed when there are so many big names on the screen?
No, I think everyone has an equal contribution to the success of a movie. You know, everyone works as a team, and we've all come together to make a nice, fun, entertaining movie. And I hope people enjoyed this one as much as they enjoyed the first race.
वैसे दूसरी रेस है ये, तो इसमें क्या अलग हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
A lot more drama, a lot more twists and turns in true Abbas Mastan style, and great music, and a lot more entertainment.
सुना है आपने ढेर सारा एक्शन किया हुआ है इस फिल्म के लिए. Have I heard right?
That's not true actually. I mean ढेर सारा तो नहीं, पर मेरा एक बहुत ही important chase sequence है इस फिल्म के अंदर, जहाँ मैं क्या काम करना, मैं गाड़ी चला रही हूँ because of a certain reason, और सैफ मेरे को पैसेंजर हैं, और हम एक दूसरे को बचाने की चक्कर में how do I say it without not saying it? Yeah, so basically एक बहुत ही important car chase sequence है, which is the only chase sequence, which is the only sort of important action sequence that I have in the film.
What sort of a role, what sort of a girl do you play in Race 2?
I think all the characters in Race somewhere are slightly manipulative. I play a sort of seductress, manipulative, intelligent, and everyone is always trying to be one up on each other, and
ये पहली बार नहीं है जबकि एक फिल्म में आप हैं और आपके साथ दो तीन और हीरोइंस भी हैं. इस बार क्या कोई इश्यूज हुए कपड़ों के लेके, जूतों को लेके? अक्सर जो हम
बिल्कुल नहीं यार, you know, I feel like sometimes these reports make us girls seem very silly. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, मेरे साथ तो कभी नहीं हुआ है और कभी होगा भी नहीं. I'm very secure with the kind of roles that I'm offered, with the kind of films that I'm doing, and I'm confident about myself also a little bit somewhere. So I mean I don't think you know, these kind of things ever happen. I mean I read about it in the papers sometimes about other people, and I choose not to believe them because it's just not possible.
इनफैक्ट इसी tangent पे हमने बीच में सुना कि आपके और अनुष्का के बीच में एकदम competition सी लगी हुई है. I'm guessing this answer goes for that too.
No, not at all. I mean, there's never been anything from my front, and you know, I'll always wish her well.
दीपिका को आप रजनी सर के साथ काम कर रही हैं. When will we get to see that film?
Soon, hopefully. Actually, even I'm not very sure on the release date yet. It's a film that we have to do correctly. It's very, very heavy on post-production, and so the CG work and all the 3G I'm saying, the 3D work takes a lot of time, you know, and I think the important part is that it's an international film that's going out of India. It's not a regional film, it's not a Tamil film, it's not a Hindi film. It's an international film, and I think India for the first time is trying out something like this. So I think it's very important that if we're doing something like this, then we do it correctly. So, you know, I think they should take that time.
क्या आप किक कर रही हैं? इस बारे में बहुत सारी चर्चा है कि शायद दीपिका किक करेंगी, नहीं करेंगी, डेट प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो क्या आप कर रही हैं?
As of now, no. I'd love to work with Salman. मैंने पहले भी ये कहा है और मैं हमेशा कहूँगी कि till I do a film with Salman, I'd love to do a film with him. पर फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं है. There's nothing in the pipeline as of now.
हम सलमान की बात कर रहे हैं। मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था आज, पता नहीं शायद आपका कोट हो या ना हो, कि शाहरुख ने आपको आपकी डेब्यू फिल्म दी है, लेकिन सलमान ने आपको आपकी पहली फिल्म ऑफर की थी। क्या मैंने सही?
Yes, that's true. He offered me my first film actually when I was very very young. I just started modeling and I feel like at that point I was not ready to be a part of films yet. I mean मैं हमेशा जानती थी कि मैं यही करना चाहती हूँ, पर at that point I was not ready. So which is why I think I keep saying that I'd love to work with Salman.
वेल, रेस 2 के बारे में कुछ खास बात है जो ऑडियंसेस को इस फिल्म की ओर ड्रॉ करे?
I think you know, if you enjoyed the first race, you're definitely going to enjoy this one. It's like I said, it's true to the Abbas Mastan style of you know, it's a very complicated jigsaw puzzle that comes together only towards the end, and yeah, great music, and it's an action thriller.
Quick question: Who was the naughtiest on the set? Who used to pull the most pranks?
This person, this person.
I mean, given that वो इतने calm और शांत लगते हैं, really?
He's not calm and shant at all. He's the naughtiest person I've ever met.
अच्छा, आपने कोई prank pull किया उन्होंने?
Lots. But actually, I think the fact that I've done a film with him before, I think that helped because I was a part of the team. I didn't have to bear the brunt of his pranks.
इस हीरो को मैं दौड़ाऊंगा, घोड़ा भी हीरो बनेगा, पैसे भी वो लगाएगा, जीतेगा भी वही। बस फिनिश लाइन पार करते ही उसकी जीत को मैं अपनी जीत में बदल दूंगा। लेट द रेस बिगिन।